everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are diving into the world of greenery and style, as we explore how the right planters can completely transform your home's exterior. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs. Today we are diving into the dream of every homeowner, a stunning garden that doesn't steal all your free time. We're looking at how to master the art of the low-maintenance flower garden. A low-maintenance flower garden is a thoughtfully designed outdoor space that prioritizes plants and landscaping techniques, requiring minimal human intervention to thrive. Rather than spending every weekend weeding, pruning, and watering, this type of garden relies on smart choices, like choosing native species, using perennials that return year after year, and implementing hardscaping elements that reduce the total area of soil you need to tend. It's about working with nature instead of fighting against it, creating a self-sustaining ecosystem that looks lush and intentional without the constant upkeep of a traditional formal garden. The most immediate benefit of a low-maintenance flower garden is the gift of time. By selecting hardy plants and using techniques like mulching, you significantly reduce the hours spent on chores, allowing you to actually sit back and enjoy the beauty of your home. Beyond time savings, these gardens are often more environmentally friendly and cost-effective. Because they typically feature drought-tolerant species and perennials, they require less water and don't need to be replaced every season like annuals do. Additionally, a well-planned low-maintenance garden provides a stable habitat for local pollinators like bees and butterflies, contributing to a healthier local environment while maintaining high curb appeal for your property. Decorating a low-maintenance garden is all about adding structure and jewelry that remains beautiful regardless of the season. To make your garden look professional, focus on defined borders and pathways using materials like stone, brick, or gravel. These create a clean aesthetic and prevent grass from creeping into your flower beds. Incorporate non-living elements like decorative boulders, weather-resistant garden sculptures, or a simple bird bath to provide focal points that never wilt. Lighting is another game changer. Solar-powered LED path lights or spotlights on a beautiful shrub can make the garden look magical at night with zero wiring or maintenance. By layering different textures, such as ornamental grasses against smooth stone, you create visual interest that lasts all year long. The secret to an effortless garden lies in selecting set-it-and-forget-it plants. Perennials are the champions here. Plants like lavender, coneflowers or echinacea, and black-eyed Susans are incredibly hardy and return bigger and better each spring. For a splash of color with very little thirst, consider succulents or stonecrop or sedum, which store water in their leaves. Ornamental grasses are also fantastic because they add height and movement while requiring only a single cutback once a year in late winter. If you have shady spots, hostas are a lifesaver, offering lush green or variegated foliage that covers the ground and chokes out weeds. By choosing plants that are suited to your specific climate zone, you ensure they stay healthy with minimal fertilizing or fuss. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best low-maintenance flower garden ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. One, the Enchanted Cottage Path. This design features a winding stone walkway surrounded by a lush, dense mix of purple irises and low-growing ground covers. The density of the planting is key here. By filling every inch of the soil with greenery and flowers, you leave no room for weeds to take root, making the path both beautiful and functional. 2. Vibrant multi-level curb appeal. Focusing on the front yard, This idea uses brick-edged garden beds to separate a manicured lawn from a riot of colorful blooms like purple salvia and yellow pansies. The use of a permanent brick border keeps the mulch in place and prevents the need for constant edge trimming, while the mix of textures creates an expensive, high-end look. 3. The entertaining patio border. Frame your outdoor living space with a raised stone planter filled with bright, hardy flowers like petunias or impatiens. Placing a grill and seating area next to a self-contained flower bed allows you to enjoy the fragrance and color of a garden without having to manage a massive sprawling backyard. 4. The sculpted paver edge. This idea uses clean gray pavers to create a sharp contrast against a vibrant border of white and magenta flowers. The stone creates a mowing strip, which means you can run your lawnmower right up to the edge without needing a string trimmer, saving you time every single week. 5. The grand porch welcome. Utilizing symmetrical planters and hanging baskets on a classic front porch creates a welcoming atmosphere. By using large pots with thriller, filler, and spiller plants, you can control the soil quality and drainage perfectly, which keeps the plants healthier with less effort than planting in the ground. 6. The wildflower meadow island. Instead of a high-maintenance lawn, create a central island of tall wildflowers, black-eyed Susans, and ornamental grasses. This look embraces a more natural, ordered chaos style that looks better as it grows wilder, requiring only occasional deadheading to keep the colors popping. 7. Tropical oasis with hardy foliage. In warmer climates, use bold-leafed plants like agaves and palms paired with vibrant ground covers to create a vacation vibe. These plants are built for heat and require very little water, while their structural shapes provide a permanent architectural beauty to the home's exterior. 8. The circular specimen bed. Create a stunning focal point in your lawn with a circular bed centered around a hardy evergreen or small tree. Surrounding the base with rings of colorful potted flowers and ground covers makes the area look like a professional botanical garden, while being very easy to mow around. 9. The woodland walkway. Perfect for shaded areas, this design uses large paving stones set into a sea of lush green foliage and delicate blue and pink flowers. It mimics a forest floor, which is naturally low maintenance because it thrives on leaf mold and requires very little sunlight or water. 10. The purple paradise border. This design uses mass plantings of catmint or lavender along a concrete driveway. Planting one species in large groups creates a massive visual impact and makes maintenance simple, as every plant in the bed has the exact same watering and pruning needs. Creating a low-maintenance flower garden doesn't mean you're settling for less. It means you're being a smarter gardener. By choosing the right plants and setting up a solid structural foundation, you can have a yard that flourishes and evolves while you spend your time doing what you love. Whether you have a tiny porch or a sprawling backyard, these principles of easy beauty can be applied to any space. If you enjoyed these garden tips, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more weekly inspiration. Which of these 10 ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing about your gardening journey. Click the notification bell so you never miss a bloom. Happy gardening!